Getting your Notary website live shouldn't feel like rocket science. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to launch a professional, ready-to-use Notary website, no design skills required. From your client dashboard, click the Edit Website button inside the Sitejet Builder tab. You'll now see several templates. Go ahead and pick any one of them. It doesn't matter which one you choose. This is just a placeholder and will be replaced shortly. Once you've selected a template, click the Choose button in the bottom right corner. Now you're inside your website editor. In the top left corner, click the hamburger menu. From the menu, select Share and Copy Website. This is where the magic happens. Grab the website code that was sent to you in your welcome email. Now paste that code into the Copy Website box at the bottom of the screen. Then click Start. You'll see a confirmation message. Go ahead and click Confirm. Give it just a moment. And voila! Your website is now replaced with a beautifully designed professional Notary website template. To customize your site, simply double-click any text, image, or section and update it with your own information. When you're ready to go live, click the blue spaceship icon in the top right corner. You'll be right back to your dashboard and see a message that says, Publishing in Progress. After a few moments, you'll see the green confirmation. Success! Your website is published. Click Visit to view your brand new Notary website. You can return anytime to make updates and republish your website as your business grows. And that's it. A professional Notary website, live, polished, and ready to work for you.